How to archive reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to archive your Instagram reel in just 60 seconds. So let's dive right in. First, you need to open up your Instagram app. Once you're in the app, you need to simply tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will take you to your profile. Now, once you're in the profile, you need to go ahead and find the reel that you want to archive. You can do it from your grid section, or you can simply swipe to the Reels section over here. Let's say we want to stay to the main profile over here. Now you need to simply tap on the reel that you want to archive. Once you are here, you need to simply tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of your screen. Then from here, you need to scroll down and tap on archive. Then you need to tap on archive again, and there you have it. You have now archived your reel on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.